In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get legendary equipment in Arch 2. One of the only known ways to actually obtain a legendary weapon is through fusion. To access fusion, go to your equipment menu and visit the blacksmith. As you can see here, you can select an item of the same quality and fuse it to turn it into a higher rarity. The rarity progression goes from gray, fine, epic, perfect epic. Once you fuse 3 perfect epic items together, you will get your legendary equipment. Now, in order to get perfect epic equipment, you have 2 options. The first is the fusion method, just like before. The second is to purchase gear chests. There's a chance you could get a perfect epic equipment directly, skipping past the epic rarity entirely. However, a guaranteed way to get perfect epic equipment is by opening a limited chest or the chromatic chest. If you want to increase your chances of getting the same perfect epic equipment, you should go for the milestone chest. The gear here is more specific compared to the chromatic chest, which contains pretty much everything in the game. It's important to note that you shouldn't dismantle any equipment, even if you think you won't use it. You can use those items to fuse further on. Also keep in mind that if the previous equipment was already pretty powerful, it's pretty much impossible to get back. So think carefully about what equipment you're fusing and make sure that the items you're combining are the ones you've planned for. There are no takebacks. Now that's how you get legendary equipment in Arch 2. Happy fusing! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all. Thank you.